Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated location interface and the new actions that are now available compared to the previous version. One of the biggest updates is the addition of enhanced filtering options. This helped narrow down the location lists more efficiently. Using the new filter option, you can filter locations by status, location type, state, and active status. Simply select the filters you want to apply, then update the list to quickly find the locations you're looking for. Another new feature is the import bin. This allows users to bulk upload locations using either a CSV or Excel spreadsheet. When preparing the file, make sure the columns are properly labeled with location number, brand, address, city, state, and zip code. This makes it easier to add or update multiple locations at once instead of entering them manually. This update also introduces the Realign Users action. The Realign Users feature synchronizes location users with user assignments based on the manager fields configured for each location. When the action is run, the system will automatically create or update manager assignments while preserving any non-manager user assignments already associated with the location. Overall, these updates help simplify location management, improve bulk updates, and make user assignments more consistent across locations.